This is Data Mining Mike, the Adventure Diver, and I'm here to talk about the cleaning process that I did per data sets of these YouTube trending videos. So the first thing I did is, for example, I have Korea here. So what I do is I highlight this column, and then the first thing I do is I'm going to insert at least two more columns, so I have enough space when it gets parsed out. I'll do one more just for good measure. All right, now from this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to data after I've highlighted the publish time column. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to text to columns. And at this point, I'm going to fix the width. And I'm going to notice that the date goes up into the T to the time portion right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click next, and then I'm going to hit, sorry, and I move it to the T so it's separating there, and then I hit another and I make another line by clicking again, and it parses out the specific hour time. And there we go, it already parsed it out between the upload hour, so I just relabel this column upload hour, and then I just delete the time portion because I really don't need that. So what I'm left with is the date and the upload hour in military time. Thank you guys for watching.